You must yield the right-of-way to an emergency vehicle by A. Pulling as far to the right side of the road as possible and stopping. B. Speeding up to clear the lane. C. Moving into the right lane and driving slowly until it has passed. Correct answer, A. Pulling as far to the right side of the road as possible and stopping. Which of these statements is true about road construction zones? A. Fines are the same as for other traffic violations. B. Slow down only if you think workers are present. C. You must slow for the cone zone. Correct answer, C. You must slow for the cone zone. If you have trouble seeing other vehicles because of dust or smoke blowing across the roadway, you should drive slower and turn on your A. Parking lights, B. Headlights, C. Emergency flashers. Correct answer, B. Headlights. You are approaching a railroad crossing with no warning devices and are unable to see 400 feet down the tracks in one direction. The speed limit is A. 15 miles per hour, B. 20 miles per hour, C. 25 miles per hour. Correct answer, A. 15 miles per hour. What should you do if you plan to pass another vehicle? A. Assume the other driver will let you pass if you use your turn signal. B. Signal and pass when safe to do so. C. Flash your headlights to alert the other driver. Correct answer, B. Signal and pass when safe to do so. You're driving in the far right lane of a multi-lane freeway. A line of 5 cars is merging into your lane ahead from an on-ramp. You should A. Maintain your speed and position. B. Slow down to let the other vehicles merge. C. Speed up to pass the merging vehicles. Correct answer, B. Slow down to let the other vehicles merge. You are approaching an intersection. The traffic signal light is flashing red. What should you do? A. Slow down and proceed with caution. B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. C. Proceed as if the light is green. Correct answer, B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. You may legally block an intersection. A. Under no circumstances. B. When you enter the intersection on the green light. C. During rush hour traffic. Correct answer, A. Under no circumstances. When parking your vehicle parallel to the curb on a level street, A. Your front wheels must be turned toward the street. B. Your wheels must be within 18 inches of the curb. C. One of your rear wheels must touch the curb. Correct answer, B. Your wheels must be within 18 inches of the curb. If your cell phone rings while you are driving and you do not have a hands-free device, you should A. Answer the call because it may be an emergency. B. Let the call go to voicemail. C. Check the incoming number before answering the call. Correct answer, B. Let the call go to voicemail. You are driving on the freeway and notice another driver using a handheld cell phone. What is the best thing to do? A. Honk your horn and wave to the driver to stop using the phone. B. Increase your following distance. C. Get closer to the vehicle so the driver can see you. Correct answer, B. Increase your following distance. A large truck is ahead of you and is turning right onto a street with 2 lanes in each direction. The truck, A. May complete its turn in either of the 2 lanes. B. May have to swing wide to complete the right turn. C. Must stay in the right lane at all times. Correct answer, B. May have to swing wide to complete the right turn. When parking next to a curb, you should use your turn signals. A. Only when pulling away from the curb. B. When pulling next to but not away from the curb. C. When pulling next to or away from the curb. Correct answer, C. When pulling next to or away from the curb. You're driving on a city street and see an emergency vehicle with flashing lights behind you. What should you do? A. Drive to the right edge of the road and slow down. B. Drive to the right edge of the road and stop. C. Stay in your lane, slow down, and let it pass. Correct answer, B. Drive to the right edge of the road and stop. You are driving on the freeway. The vehicle in front of you is a large truck. You should drive. A. Closely behind the truck in bad weather because the driver can see farther ahead. B. Farther behind the truck than you would for a passenger vehicle. C. No more than 1 car length behind the truck so the driver can see you. Correct answer, B. Farther behind the truck than you would for a passenger vehicle. What is the correct way to make a left turn from a one-way street onto a one-way street? A. Turn into any lane. B. Turn into the far left lane. C. Turn into the lane closest to the left curb. Correct answer, C. Turn into the lane closest to the left curb. When driving at night on a dimly lit street, you should A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. B. Turn on your high beams to better see the road ahead. C. Drive as you would during the day. Correct answer, A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. You want to make a right turn at an upcoming intersection. You should slow down and A. Move toward the left side of your lane. B. Avoid driving in the bicycle lane. C. Signal for 100 feet before turning. Correct answer, C. Signal for 100 feet before turning. If you're driving on a freeway and the vehicle in front of you is a large truck, you should drive. A. Closer behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. B. Further behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. C. To the right side of the truck and wait to pass. Correct answer, B. Farther behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. If you are convicted by the court of a first DUI offense, your driving privileges will be suspended for at least A. 1 month. B. 6 months. C. 1 year. Correct answer, B. 6 months. You are driving on a 5-lane freeway in the lane closest to the center divider. To exit the freeway on the right, you should A. Carefully cross all lanes at one time. B. Change lanes one at a time until you are in the proper lane. C. Slow before beginning each lane change. Correct answer, B. Change lanes one at a time until you are in the proper lane. A flashing red traffic light at an intersection means A. Slow down before entering. B. Stop before entering. C. Stop and wait until it turns green. Correct answer, B. Stop before entering. Which of these vehicles must always stop before crossing railroad tracks? A. Motorcycles. B. Tank trucks marked with hazardous materials placards. C. Vehicles pulling trailers. Correct answer, B. Tank trucks marked with hazardous materials placards. When you are merging onto the freeway, you should be driving A. At or near the same speed as the traffic on the freeway. B. 5 to 10 miles per hour slower than the traffic on the freeway. C. The posted speed limit for freeway traffic. Correct answer. A, at or near the same speed as the traffic on the freeway. Yeah, when parking downhill on a two-way street, your front wheels should be A, turn to the left toward the street, B, turn to the right away from the street, C, turn to the right toward the curb. Correct answer, C, turn to the right toward the curb. When you see a flashing yellow traffic signal at an intersection, you should A, stop before entering the intersection, B, slow down and cross the intersection carefully, C, proceed through the intersection without slowing. Correct answer, B, slow down and cross the intersection carefully. When passing another vehicle, it is safe to return to your lane if you A, cannot see the vehicle directly to your right, B, see the vehicle's headlights in your rearview mirror, C, have passed the other vehicle's front bumper. Correct answer, B, see the vehicle's headlights in your rearview mirror. You are driving on a freeway posted for 65 miles per hour. Most of the other vehicles are driving 70 miles per hour or faster. You may legally drive A, 70 miles per hour or faster to keep up with the speed of traffic, B, between 65 miles per hour and 70 miles per hour, C, no faster than 65 miles per hour. Correct answer, C, no faster than 65 miles per hour. At intersections, crosswalks, and railroad crossings, you should always A, stop, listen, and proceed cautiously. B, look to the sides of your vehicle to see what is coming. C, slowly pass vehicles that seem to be stopped for no reason. Correct. Answer, B, look to the sides of your vehicle to see what is coming. You may cross double yellow lines to pass another vehicle if the A, yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. B, yellow line next to the other side of the road is broken. C, lines are solid on both sides. Correct answer, A, yellow line next to your side of the road is broken.